Think you're crushing your dumbbell curls? What if I told you most people in the gym are training their shoulders, not their biceps, and they don't even know it? If your arms haven't grown in months, it's probably because your perfect form is secretly killing your gains. Let's fix that today, once and for all. Welcome back to the channel, my friends. Today we're breaking down one of the simplest looking, but most misunderstood exercises out there on the dumbbell curl. Sounds easy, right? Pick up a dumbbell and curl it up. But here's the truth. How you curl determines whether you're actually building biceps or just wasting reps. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to perform the perfect curl, you'll feel the difference instantly. Stay till the end because I'll give you one small tweak that can literally double your muscle activation. Let's start by calling out the biggest mistakes that almost everyone makes, maybe even you. Mistake number 1, swinging the weight. You've seen it. People rocking their entire upper body just to lift that dumbbell. Here's the problem. When you swing, momentum does the work, not your muscles. Your biceps get a free ride and your lower back pays the price. Cut to slow motion replay, person leaning back during curl. Think of your body like a tree. The stronger your trunk, the less you sway. If you're bending backward, you're not curling, you're catapulting. Mistake number 2, dropping too fast. They lift with energy but drop like a stone. That's where the gains are lost. The eccentric phase, the lowering part, is where muscle growth actually happens. If you're letting gravity do the work, you're throwing away 50% of your results. Mistake number 3, elbows on the move. Watch closely, the elbows are swinging forward every rep. When that happens, your front delts take over, stealing work from your biceps. Keep your elbows pinned like they're glued to your ribs. No movement tongues pure bicep isolation. Mistake number 4, half reps. If you're stopping halfway, you're not finishing the job. Every inch of range counts. Think of it like filling a glass, and then if you stop halfway, you never get full results. Pause, engaging question. Be honest. How many of these mistakes did you just realize you're making? Don't worry, and everyone starts there. Now let's rebuild your curl from the ground up. All right, let's start clean. Here's the foundation of a flawless dumbbell curl. Step 1, the setup. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up, shoulders slightly back. Imagine someone pulling a string from the top of your head. Your core should feel tight, like you're bracing for a light punch. Why? Because your core is your anchor. The stronger it is, the steadier your movement. Think of your core like the foundation of a skyscraper. If the base wobbles, everything above it collapses. Step 2, arm position. Hold the dumbbells at your sides, palms facing in. Before you lift, rotate your palms outward so they face up. That's called supination, and it's what the biceps are built to do. Close-up camera on wrist rotation. Without this rotation, you're only doing half the job. The twist is what fires the muscle fully. Step 3, the curl. Now curl the dumbbells up smoothly. Not fast, not jerky. Your elbows stay fixed at your sides. Don't think lift the dumbbell. Think bring your hands toward your shoulders by tightening your biceps. Feel the muscle shortening, not just the movement. No swinging, no shoulder shrugging, just clean, controlled power. At the top, pause for 1 second. Squeeze your biceps like you're trying to crush a coin in your elbow joint. That 1 second hold makes all the difference. It tells your muscle, hey, this is serious work. Now here's where the magic happens. Lower the dumbbells slowly, taking about 2-3 seconds. Feel that stretch. That's your muscle lengthening under tension, and that's pure growth. Imagine it like rewinding a spring. The slower and smoother you go, the more power you build for the next rep. All right, you've got the basics. But if you want to turn your curls from decent to elite, here are your next level tweaks. Tweak number 1, mind-muscle connection. Instead of thinking, I'm lifting weights, think, I'm contracting my biceps. Close your eyes for a rep and feel the tension. Studies show that focusing on the muscle you're training can increase activation by over 20%. That's a free strength boost. No extra weight required. Tweak number 2, supination emphasis. Start with palms facing in, then twist out harder than usual at the top. That rotational force activates your biceps peak, especially the long head. Try it right now. Twist your wrist outward slowly. Feel that? That's your peak talking. Tweak number 3, tempo control. Use a 3-second up, 3-second down tempo for a few sets. You'll realize it's not about how much you lift, and it's about how you lift. Tweak number 4, use the wall test. Stand with your back and elbows against a wall and now curl. No cheating possible. You'll instantly learn how much momentum you were using before. Tweak number 5, alternate curls for focus. Do one arm at a time. It helps your brain and muscles connect deeply with each side, and it prevents your stronger arm from taking over. Cut to alternating curls demo. Focus, control, precision. That's how you sculpt real symmetry. Here's the secret nobody tells you. Dumbbell curls aren't just about lifting. They're about controlling tension through every millimeter. Your goal isn't to move the dumbbell from point A to point B. Your goal is to keep your biceps working from start to finish. If you can make 10 pounds feel like 30, you've mastered the art of the curl. Let's recap everything in 30 seconds. Stand tall, core tight. Elbows locked by your sides. Palms rotate up as you lift. Squeeze at the top. Lower slowly with control. Now here's your challenge. Grab your dumbbells and do 10 flawless reps. No swinging, no momentum, no cheating. Just pure bicep control. Notice how different it feels? That's real training. That's real progress. Remember, perfect reps beat heavy weights every time. The goal isn't to move the weight, it's to own the movement. If this video helped fix your form, hit that like button, share it with a friend who curls like a seesaw, and subscribe for more real training that builds strength, not ego. Now go and make those curls count. Train smart, stay strong,